All right, everybody. I'm just past the new black technical section on Rock Knob, riding out the rest of the trail, and we'll be heading back. I'm going to take the trail new tunnel. It's a blue trail, heading back towards the nature center. That new section off of Rock Knob is amazing. Hartley never used to have stuff like that here. They got a few features here too. Rock up and over. It's a blue trail, but they do have some B lines, black B lines, like that. Little bump jumps you can take. Hartley's definitely improved over the last couple of years. That's why I haven't really ridden it much. I don't like just riding plain dirt flow. I'd rather have some chunk, some decent hard climbs. This makes my riding a lot more enjoyable. But it's nice to have trails like the new tunnel where he added some new features to the old trail. Add some speed, some flow, some jumps, some drops. Nice rollers here. You can jump it if you want. Oh, thank you. Now we're back to the Hartley Pond. Hard to believe it's November and there's no ice. Super windy here. Go across the Hartley Dam. We got two ways. That's a hiking trail that way, and a biking trail, I think it's called Soapbox, is this way. Green trail. Another climbing trail. Yeah, we'll go this way. That's the Northfield connector. That goes into a neighborhood. Want to do the Soapbox trail. Be interesting to see how many feet of climbing I'm doing today. Guess I forgot how hilly Hartley is. I'm still on the Soapbox trail in Hartley, sort of checking it all out. That goes to the street, Hartley Road. This goes down to the nature center. Paved trail. Very skinny getting through there. Here's the Hartley Nature Center. Basically, I've done every trail at Hartley. Did a nice big loop all the way around. Hit all the greens, blues, and blacks, and all the new features. I'm going to head back to the parking lot up by Freiburger Hockey Arena, which is going to be more climbing, but looking forward to it.